I'm going to go through a quick rundown with Google Drive and how to set it up and properly upload and download photos for our photo class. So bring up your Google Drive. Remember that on the top right side in Gmail, there's the applications button. This is where you will find your mail, Drive, YouTube, Docs, Sheets, Slides, all that fun stuff. So just make sure you are on your Drive. And I would recommend making a new folder for all of your photo stuff. So if you want to make a new folder, go to new folder, and go ahead and type in photo 1, photo 2, photo 3, whatever you're using this for. Even after you make your folder, you can go inside of that, double click, and you can make subfolders in here for whatever project you are going to be working on. So new folder again, and we'll just go project 1 for whatever that may be. And then in there, this is where you can begin uploading and downloading any of the photos that you may have. Now I went ahead and already made a folder on the desktop, so you could pretend you put the SD card in and already downloaded a bunch of pictures onto the computer. It'd be a good idea to make a separate folder for that. So if you go into the folder where you want to download, new, and you're going to do a file upload. If you already have the folder set up, you can download the whole folder at a time. I'm just going to go to file upload and go to the desktop and find that actual folder. So pictures for upload. Now in here I have a whole bunch of pictures. If you click on individual pictures, it's just going to show that individual picture. Remember, if you want to select multiple photos, so if you click once, hold down shift, and the next time you click, it'll select everything in between what you clicked. If you want to select individual photos, multiple ones, you hold down the command button, and this will select and deselect. So I'm holding down command. I can continue to select. If you don't want a couple in the middle, you can click and it will deselect them. If you want every single photo in here, you can just do command A, and that selects all of them. Now, just for our sake, I'm just going to say upload 4 of these guys, just so it won't take too long. You click open, and a box will pop up on the bottom right, and it will start the download process. And then on the right side here, once you see the check mark in green, it means it's downloaded, and the pictures should actually start popping up. So we'll give it a few seconds here and make sure everything downloads properly. Okay, so we'll say upload complete. We have check marks on all of them, so you can go ahead and exit out of that box. Now you'll have all your pictures in here ready for download. So when you go to your drive, you're nice and organized in your folder. You're looking at your first project, again, whatever it may be. Here are your photos for said project. Now you've uploaded them. If you need to download them, kind of the same deal. You can click, hold down command and select, deselect individual pictures. You can click once, hold down shift, go to the end, click again, it should select all. Now if you need to download these back on your desktop, like to use Photoshop, go to the 3 dots, your more actions, and go ahead and just click download. So this will create what's called a zip folder. So it compresses the pictures into one downloadable folder, and then when it actually downloads, you can put that on your desktop and you will unzip the file, and we'll do that too. So on my web browser, I'm using Chrome. A little bar will pop up on the bottom where your downloads are, and I just click and drag that onto the desktop. If you do not see that and you're using Safari, there's going to be a button on the top right. I think it looks like an arrow, and that's your downloads button. So you can click that, and everything you've downloaded will pop up. So there's what the zip folder looks like. If you double click, it will unzip the actual file, and then there's the folder with your pictures in it, and there's the 4 pictures. And then you can go ahead and just drop the compressed zip file into the trash because you have what you need right there. So that should be everything. Organize your Google Drive, make it look nice and neat so you know where everything is.